How to save Google Forms after creating it. This tutorial shows you how to make sure your form is saved and accessible whenever you need it. First, open the Google Forms app on your particular device. Open the form you just finished creating. From there, keep in mind that Google Forms automatically saves your work as you go, so there is no separate save button needed. At this point, to confirm it has saved, simply close the app or navigate back to your Forms list. From there, tap on the back arrow at the top left of the screen. After that, you will be taken back to your main Forms list, where your newly created form should now appear. In the next step, tap on the form again to reopen it and confirm all your questions and settings were saved correctly. From there, if you want to easily find this form later, consider renaming it clearly by tapping on the title field at the top while inside the form. Once done, type in a more descriptive name if needed, and it will automatically save the updated title. Following this, all your forms are stored within your Google Drive under a dedicated Forms section, so you can also access them from there. From here, open the Google Drive app, then tap on the menu icon and look for a Forms folder or filter option to view all your saved forms. At this stage, this gives you another way to locate and manage your forms beyond just the Forms app itself. Keep in mind, since saving happens automatically and continuously, there is no risk of losing your work as long as you have an active internet connection while editing. And that's it. If this guide helped you save Google Forms after creating it, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.